The second season of Amazon's noir-inspired animated Batman show, Batman Caped Crusader, arrives on Prime Video next week, and it's coming with a brand new game. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The Amazon Luna exclusive Batman Caped Crusader Chronicles is a good old-fashioned game focused on Bat's detective skills rather than fisticuffs. The co-op adventure features voice performances from the show and drops you and up to 3 other players into Gotham's underworld, where you'll play a series of mini-games that put the Dark Knight's skills to the test. Amazon teased that players will decode evidence, chase leads, and confront iconic DC supervillains across 11 gripping episodes. The game will feature Batman's extensive characters, including Scarecrow, Dollmaker, Babyface, and most notably, the Joker. Amazon confirmed that Matthew Needham, who voices the Clown Prince of Crime in the show, will also bring him to life in the game. Hamish Linklater and Michelle C. Vanilla, who voiced Batman and Detective Montoya in the animated show, are also among the actors who reprised their roles in Batman Caped Crusader Chronicles. This game is coming just as Amazon brings Luna game streaming to the Prime Video app on Fire TV devices in the UK and US. That means you'll be able to watch an episode of Caped Crusader and hop straight into the game without switching apps. Luna is free for anyone with a Prime subscription, and if you don't have a Fire TV device, you can also access the Luna app on select LG and Samsung TVs or through a web browser. The game will be available on July 31st, the same day that all 10 episodes of Season 2 of Batman Caped Crusader land on Prime Video. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.